riddle diddle. And I'm still fiddling with the door. I lock it, I unlock it, I lock it, I try to unlock it. The key stuck. Fiddle, riddle, diddle, diddle, fiddle, riddle, diddle, diddle. For 3 hours I'm at it, and all the time my brother is not taking any notice of Michael. Fiddle, riddle, diddle, diddle, fiddle, riddle, diddle, diddle, fiddle, riddle, diddle.